In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to your Wix website. This process is not only essential for creating a more interactive and personalized user experience, but also pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. We'll start with enabling the members area, which is the foundation for member engagement on your site. Begin by opening your Wix editor. On the left sidebar, locate and click the Add Elements button, symbolized by a plus sign. Scroll down to find Members, then select Add Members area. This action will automatically integrate login and sign up buttons into your site. Additionally, Wix will create member pages such as My Account, My Profile, and if applicable, My Orders for those using Wix stores. You'll notice a new Members area section in your Menus and Pages panel, marking the completion of this stage. Next, if you prefer to add or invite members manually, navigate to your Wix dashboard. Click on Customer Management and then Site Members. Within this section, select plus New Member to add individuals by entering their name, email address, and role. Especially useful if your members require specific permissions or group assignments. Click Send Invite, and the system will email the user an invitation to join and set up their login. For those with an existing contact list, there is an option to import members via a CSV upload. If you'd rather allow site visitors to sign up themselves, this can be done through the Wix editor. Click on the Login Sign Up button and go to Settings. Under Permissions, determine who can register. Anyone, only people you approve, or those with a paid plan. You can also tailor the sign-up form to capture additional information, like names, emails, or even custom fields to better manage your community. Once your members are set, you might want to create member-only pages for exclusive content. In the editor, head over to Menus and Pages, select the page you wish to limit access to, then click the More Options icon and choose Settings. Under the Permissions tab, decide whether the page should be visible to all members or restricted to specific member roles, such as clients or students. This functionality enables you to craft pages like My Dashboard, Client Resources, or exclusive courses that are only visible to your logged-in members. Managing your members is simple from the Wix dashboard. Under Customer Management, go to Site Members where you can view profiles, assign roles or tags, and even approve or block users. For a more automated approach, consider using Wix automations to, for example, send a welcome email whenever someone joins